All right, good morning. We're going to be installing the CNC oil cooler today. Pretty excited about this. The bike's been getting a little bit hotter than I would like. It's summertime now, and it's well over 90 degrees every day pretty much, with the sun's out at least, and that's when you ride. But we're going to get this put on there and go for a ride later today and see if the difference that it makes. I'm hoping I can get at least 10 to 20 degrees difference. Instead of holding that 250, maybe 240, 230, I would be very happy with it. But yeah, let's get this thing put on. Alrighty, well, today we're gonna go out and test out the new oil cooler. Somebody's doing donuts. Any spot that the road is wide enough that comes to a Y like that, there's always, people doing donuts there. It's funny. Well, that's a little disappointing. 260. No, yeah, it was almost up to 270. Oh my gosh, that scared me. I just don't understand it. Well, this was a friggin' mistake. Man. It's leaking so much I can't even tell where it's leaking from right now. That's where it's coming from right there. And you know what? That's all my fault. Alright, well, we're back out on the road here. I got the longer hose put on, the oil cooler, and I got the fins put on. So this is the final test to see, and it's like 90 degrees, 95 degrees out today. So it's the final test to see if the bike is going to be any cooler with this nice CNC oil cooler. So yeah, let me get it up to temperature and we'll see what happens. So it was sitting at about 240 when I was riding down the dirt road going a little bit slower, and I just noticed it dropped in temperature almost down. I'd say right now I think it went up a little bit because I stopped, but it's at about 210 right now from doing about 55 down the paved road. So far it is showing some signs of improvement. So that's really great. I'm super stoked about that. Oh shit, maybe that's why. Fuck. You have got to be fucking shitting me, bro. Now is it coming out of right here? Yup. Alright, that makes me feel a little bit better. It's not my motor blown up, but yep, I need to get another tow. Alright, so I was thinking I should probably do one little last try with the oil cooler. So I got home, cleaned the whole bike up because it was absolutely covered in oil. Yeah, so this is the spot that was leaking yesterday, and I literally have this clamped all the way as tight as it can possibly go. I got it a little bit tighter, and you can see that this is the whole tube sliding on there. This is so that essentially my feeling is the same exact thing is going to happen. It's just a little bit tighter. So the same thing's going to happen. I wish I think this is just some cheap tubing. The stuff that I bought from Napa over on this side, I mean, you can't really get it to spin like that. So maybe that would be the fix, but I'm just so fed up with this kit right now that I've decided to just get rid of it, and I'm gonna go back to the stock formation. But I just wanted to make a video showing that I've tried everything. I'm pretty sure this isn't user error. I think this is just a poor design. This piece right here, so this piece right here is this piece. It's supposed to go in there, and then it's held by this little nut. These two nuts right here hold this whole like bracket in there and hold this piece in there. So it's not, this is just a poor design. And, you know, I just can't, I've already had it fail on me twice, so I can't let that happen again. I would feel pretty dumb. I already feel pretty dumb for letting it happen twice. But, so now I have to wait for this part because I cut that, obviously. So that's coming in the mail. But I just wanted to, before I put a video out of talking badly about a product, I kind of wanted to do everything I could to make sure that it wasn't user error and that it was, you know, a poor product design. But yeah, all right, that's about it. I can't think of anything else.